Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Long time no see. I know it's been like a couple days. Sorry, I was just kidding. Tonight I'm going to do a real quick review on a company that I did reviewed I think a couple times, and that's Build Your Beard. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back guys. I hope you guys are staying safe, free of COVID. Thanks for the continued support. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Tonight we're going to go over a company that I've did before called Build Your Beard. What the gentleman sent me out to review for you guys real quick is a scent that I did before, and it's called their Barbro scent. And yes, that's not a typo. As you can see at the bottom, it's Barbro, and it's their barbershop version, obviously. The ingredients, let's see. I can't really read the ingredients because of the light in here, but I'll put them up right here. There we go. There's the ingredients. Awesome stuff. This feels great in beard, as always. Plus, if you remember my other review, the labels are new, which they look completely awesome. And the next scent he sent was for a fundraiser. I believe it was for his niece. I'll leave all that information in the description below, just in case you guys want to donate. But this is a premium blend of Phoebe. I'm sorry if I butchered that. But this is a strawberry lime, I want to say. Let me make sure. Strawberry with lemon and lime. Strawberry with lemon and lime. This smells freaking awesome. I have to hide this from my daughters because they want to wear it. Just the scent of it, man. Oh, it smells like you get that really that punch of a strawberry and that lime, that lemon. It just flutters. It's a great scent. I'll leave all his information in the links below, guys. If you want to donate to the cause for the reason behind this beard oil. I believe it was his niece. She wasn't doing too good, which I send all my prayers out to you guys. I hope by the time you see this video, everything is getting better or is better. But thank you guys for sending this out. I appreciate it. Guys, thanks for watching the channel. As always, I hope you enjoyed the review. If you haven't tried Build Your Beard Company, check them out. Great products, great prices. I think they're a little bit below minimum, normal. They're pretty premium feeling, in my opinion, products for my beard. I love the way they feel in my beard. They're really good. Sorry guys, I keep rambling. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, slam that subscribe button. Show me some love. Till the next review, peace.